This video, I will teach you how to use Excel to draw the Whisker plot. I got the two groups of data from 1 to 50 and data from 501 to 550. Both is the height. The units are inches. So I will highlight this first, all the data I highlight. Then I go to Insert. I go to Recommended Chart, All Charts. Go to Box and Whisker. Click on that. Then click on OK. So you get this Whisker plot. This point is called the outlier. The Excel can figure out the outliers for the data when you use Excel to draw the Whisker plot. First of all, click this plus. You need to add axis title and a data label. For the chart title, you can just write down Whisker plot. And for this axis title, you will write down this is the height and inches as a unit. For the bottom, this is the one you can delete. Then the axis title, you can write down group 1 data and group 2 data. You could say on the left side is group 1, on the right side, this graph is for group 2. Then you can change the scale of this Whisker plot. So click here, then right-click, Format Axis. For the minimum value, I don't want to get started with the 0. We came from 50 to 80. So I change this into 50. Here's 80. Then for the numbers, it's not a general. We will click on numbers here. So you can get the decimal place, that is 2. Then you could say the scale for the axis, they change into numbers with 2 decimal places. Now we can format these labeled numbers. You click on that, then right-click, Format Data Labels. You can put this labeled data on the left side or on the right side. So if I choose the right side, it's here, click on right side. Then you can change the decimal places. So I go to number. Then I want decimal places, here's 2. You can change it into 3 if you want. Then click these labels, right-click, Format Data Labels. For general, change into numbers. The decimal places are still 2. After this, you can make this Whisker plot bigger or smaller as you like. This way is make it bigger, it's more clear. And you can also move this way to make it narrower. So it's really up to you. If you think this is a good one, then just right-click, click on Copy. Then paste on this Word document. Just click Ctrl-V, paste. Then you can click here to change the layout options. Normally, we put this square so that we can move around. As we know, for Whisker plot, we have a minimum value, maximum value. We have a lower quartile. That's Q1, median, and upper quartile, Q3. Interquartile range, IQR, will be Q3 minus Q1. So look at this Whisker plot given by Excel. This one, inside, it will be the mean. And here is minimum. This is a maximum value. This is a Q1, median, Q3. Same thing here. Minimum, maximum, Q1, median, and Q3. So from this value, we can figure out IQR. We know that IQR stands for the range, which cover 50% of the data. It's also very useful for you to figure out the outlier. The Whisker plot given by Excel already show you the outlier. But when you need to write an essay, you need to know how to figure out the outlier by using this outlier formula.